Hey y'all, I'm Mary Beth. Some of the technology that I use in my everyday life is my phone, laptop, TV, AirPods, GPS, and my dual screen monitors. Some of the programs that I use in my everyday life from all the technology is speech to text, text to speech, Google search, and other search engines. The software on my phone I usually use most is speech to text, calling, texting. I use Siri a whole bunch, and also Google. But one of my most used apps on my phone are Starbucks to take my dog to get a puppuccino and Chick-fil-A. Love Chick-fil-A. I also use GPS because without it, I would get lost just going to the grocery store. I am that bad with directions. I have no sense of directions. Some things that I would not be willing to give up is my laptop. The reason is I do all my schoolwork on here. I connect with y'all. I search things. I do things like Google Documents, all of that stuff. Another device I would sadly not give up is definitely my phone because it's how I connect with my family and friends all over the country and the world. I use social media to keep up with people. I do schoolwork off my phone, my Bible app, which is very important to me, and my GPS. Of course, I have no sense of directions. Some things that I would be willing to give up is social media and text to speech. I would have to say the Siri voice also on GPS because that just freaks me out whenever I get lost. It's like redirecting. You're like, ah. One last thing that I don't think I could give up on my phone is my Bible app. One of my is because that's what I use whenever I do my quiet time and I listen. I think another thing I could possibly give up is my AirPods and headphones because I can just turn the volume down on my stuff. And then I would say another thing that I could give up, I could probably give up the stereo in my car. I guess that's a form of assistive technology because you can listen to the weather and the news and all that stuff because I have Spotify on my phone. That's a good way. And also my TV because I can just stream stuff on my phone. Well, that is all that I have, and I can't wait to see y'all's posts. Have a great day.